Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best 4K body cam review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Jozuze CS09 Ultra 4K Mini Body Cam. This camera is lightweight and built with a plastic shell, so it's designed to handle daily use. Quick tip: charge it for about an hour the first time and read the manual so the settings and time sync are correct. The best feature is one-click recording. Press once and you're recording instantly. It also supports loop recording, meaning it can overwrite old clips automatically, which is perfect for long rides or using it as a simple car recorder. You get a 180 degrees rotating camera, so you can record forward, adjust angles, or even record yourself. It also claims a wide viewing angle, which helps capture more of the scene. It has night vision lights, so it's usable in low-light environments like evening walks, security duty, or indoor darkness. It includes a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. You connect your phone from about 10 meters to view or transfer footage. It's close range only, not remote control from far away. There's no built-in memory, so you'll need a micro SD, TF card supported from 8 GB up to 256 GB. Overall, it's a solid budget option for cycling, travel, daily recording, car use, or basic security work. Number 4. Boblov M7 Pro 4K Body Cam. The M7 Pro features a new red button design, which is easy to spot and press, perfect for quick recording during work or travel. The 180-degree rotating lens lets you record forward, backward, or even take selfie-style vlogs. It records Ultra HD 4K at 30 frames per second and takes 40-megapixel photos, delivering sharp and detailed footage with 4 infrared night vision lights. It can clearly record even in complete darkness, great for night patrols or security use. One of the biggest highlights is the 4000 mAh battery, which can record up to 15 hours in 1080 pixel. It also supports GPS recording, so your videos include location and route data, viewable later using the GPS player. You can clip it to your shoulder, chest, or belt, and it also supports car mounting with an optional suction mount. This makes it ideal for law enforcement, security guards, delivery drivers, or long road trips. Overall, the Boblov M7 Pro is a reliable, long-lasting body cam with serious features. If you need a professional body camera, this one is worth considering. Number 3. GTOJ 88 4K Mini Body Cam. This camera is basically thumb-sized and weighs only about 36 grams, so it's super easy to wear without feeling heavy. It comes in black or white and the body feels simple but practical. Its ASLO battery is 800 mAh and the brand claims around 90 minutes in 4K or up to 150 minutes in 1080p when Wi-Fi is off. It supports recording while charging, which is great for long rides using a power bank. This is where it gets interesting. There's a built-in magnet, so you can stick it to metal surface. It also includes a magnetic lanyard pad for quick chest mounting, plus a rotating clip so you can attach it to your collar, pocket, or waist, and with extra mounts, you can use it on helmets, bikes, and handlebars for POV shots. The camera itself isn't waterproof, but with the waterproof case, it claims up to around 40 meters underwater. It supports micro SD, TF cards, and some packages include a card. Or even a card reader. So if you want a cheap, tiny POV camera for cycling, travel, or daily recording, this is a fun option. If you want, I can also do a pros and cons version with honest negatives. Number 2. Weou Ultra HD 4K Mini Body Cam. The Weou body cam's small and lightweight, made from plastic to help survive small drops. You also get a clip design, so you can attach it to a shirt, bag strap, or use it in the car like a mini dash recorder. The biggest feature is one-click recording. Press once and it starts capturing right away. It also supports loop recording, so it can overwrite old clips automatically, which is useful for driving or long recording sessions. The lens rotates up to 180 degrees and it claims a wide viewing angle, so you can point it forward, upward, or even back toward yourself for vlog-style shots. It has infrared night vision, which helps in low light, like evening walks or indoor darker areas. For storage, it takes microSD/TF cards from 8 GB up to 256 GB, but remember, the memory card is usually not included. It also creates a Wi-Fi hotspot, letting you connect your phone from about 10 meters for viewing and transferring clips, but it's not for remote control from far away. So overall, if you want a budget mini body cam for daily recording, cycling, or car use, this one is a solid option. Number 1. Xiaomi Sports Mini Body Cam. The Xiaomi Mini Body Cam comes with a 1.3-inch color screen, a Type-C charging port, and a 180-degree rotating lens, so you can point it forward, upward, or even backward. It feels lightweight and easy to clip onto a shirt, bag strap, or bike gear. It supports 4K, 2K, 1080 pixel recording, and the best part is you can play back videos directly on the screen, browse, pause, delete files, even format the card. It also has Wi-Fi, so you can connect your phone to the camera hotspot using the Wind Recorder app, preview footage and download clips to your phone for low light. It includes 4 fill lights for night recording, good for indoor dark areas or evening rides. It also battery is 1,200 mAh, and the company claims around 5 to 6 hours of use with about 2 hours charging time. There's no built-in memory, so you'll need a TF card up to 128 GB, preferably a high-speed one. This is great for cycling, travel, classes, meetings, or as a simple dash-style recorder. If you want a tiny wearable camera with Wi-Fi and rotating lens, this one is worth checking out.